Here at InstyMe, we understand how important your time is. That's why we've built the InstyMe desktop software that allows you to do everything from one central dashboard. As soon as you open up the program, you get this nice login screen that you put your cPanel username and password, but we allow you to remember this password, so hopping into the desktop software is one click easy. Once you hop in, you see the InstyMe desktop control panel with single one-click access to all of your sites and all of your hosting utilities, from your InstyMailer marketing system to your hosting control panel and directly into your WordPress site. So we'll just hop right into each one of these buttons and check it out. The first buttons right here at the top are direct one-click access to your utilities. So we can click here and get into the InstyMailer marketing system. Once we're here, we simply log in. Once you log in, you're right into your InstyMailer system, and you can begin working with your brands and your lists and everything that you need to right from the dashboard here. As soon as you're done with your InstyMailer, after you've sent a campaign or you worked with your list, you simply click this button back right here and you come right back to your control panel. Then you have easy one-click access to your cPanel as well. This actually logs you in and gets you right directly into your control panel, so you can begin working with anything hosting related. Again, when you're done, all you simply do is click the back button and you're returned right back to the control panel. And this is the InstyMe desktop setup button. This is the screen you actually see when you first open up the InstyMe desktop, and it walks you through an easy setup from setting up your AdSense and Amazon sites and your WordPress sites as well. Now we're getting into the meat and the bread and butter of the InstyMe desktop software, which is the one-click access to all of your sites in your InstyMe hosting account. You have 4 buttons for each site that you want to work with. You have an InstyPost, InstyPage, View Site, and WordPress Admin. These are one-click, great access buttons, and we're going to go ahead and pop right into the InstyPost. And when you click this one, what it actually does is logs you into your WordPress account and brings you right to the Add a New Post wizard. And as you can see here on the right, you have your regular WordPress admin section where with your title and your post right here all ready to put in some content. But if you notice off on the left, you have a neat little toolbar, and this toolbar allows you to have one-click access to some of the most popular things that people are putting into blog posts these days, like YouTube videos or images or Google image search or even open web browser. A lot of people, when they put content on their site, they search other sites to get some valuable information. With having this toolbar right here, you simply click a button and you have a screen right off on your left that you can use to do your research with, to go ahead and check some facts or anything like that. And if you're working on a smaller screen like a laptop, you can come over here and you can actually shrink the screen down by a percentage. So I can go to 70%, I can go to 90%. Or if I zoomed out my window, it would be a perfect working desktop for anything that you need. You just do a search and you can come up with anything you need to, images, and then you have your Google images and you can work right with them. Now as soon as you're done, you just click the close and then the toolbar shrinks back down, and as you notice here on the right, the WordPress screen actually changes a bit. So it gets rid of some of the things like the publish and everything, kind of pushes it down so you have the optimum working space while you're working inside the InstyMe desktop. Now I want to show you just a little bit of what this can do as far as finding videos and different content that you can add to your site. So I'm going to come over to YouTube video, and I'm just going to choose a video right off the front page here. And you can actually start watching this video right directly into the InstyMe desktop. And then as soon as you find a video that you like, you just click this button up here called Link to This. And that brings you right back into your InstyMe desktop screen. And at this point, you can choose the video block size that you would like. If you'd like a small, if you'd like an extra large, it actually shows you a little window on how big the video will be. And as soon as you find the video that you like, you just simply click the button here, and it puts it right directly into your editing window. So it makes it super easy to do many different things. So now that we have our video in, we're going to go ahead and add some images to our post as well. So we're going to come over here and go to the Google image search. This one here goes out and searches images for pictures that are labeled to reuse. So these pictures are available to be used on your website directly. All you have to do is click on a picture, and then when you find the picture that you like, you simply click this window or this button down here. It says grab picture, and then you click this button right there, and that grabs the picture that you'd like, and from at this point it's right inside your blog, and then you can edit this picture using the edit image and shrink it down as much as you'd like, center it, put any kind of titles or alternate text that you would like, and then click the update button and your picture is in. Also would like to show you the image editor, and this is a very special image editor that comes along with the InstyMe desktop software. This software allows you to open up any picture and make many changes to this and then automatically upload it to your WordPress site. I chose a picture here on my computer, and I can come over here and draw a box around this woman here, come to format and crop. I can actually add many effects like drop shadows and miscellaneous effects where I can change the contrast and the brightness, anything that I would like to. And then as soon as I would like to use this, as soon as I'm done, I just click this button here, insert into blog, and it actually in the background uploads it to my WordPress site and then automatically puts it directly into my post. Saves a lot of time and a lot of effort. One thing I like to do while I'm working with this, if I'm doing any kind of instructions or examples or anything like that, I simply do a screen capture using the print screen button, and then I can come in here and paste the image. As you can see, I just simply pasted an image right from the window that I'm working on, and then I can resize it, I can crop it, or anything that I need to do, and then as soon as I want to, I just click the insert to blog button, and then it puts it right on my desktop. So this works wonderful for any time that you are doing any kind of instructions, or if you're taking screenshots of anything. This is a huge time saver when you're working with your blog. So I'm going to click close there, and I'm going to hop over to the advertising section. This is where a lot of the power comes from the InstyMe desktop. A lot of times people, when they have a WordPress site or they have a blog of their own, they really don't know how to put AdSense ads and Amazon ads into their posts or into their pages without using many complicated plugins. But here at the InstyMe desktop and with InstyMe, we give you instant advertising tools that you can use to begin making money online. And this is one of the huge things right here. With AdSense ads, you can simply choose an ad block that you would like to use. So in this case, I'm going to use a 300 by 250 image and text, and you just simply put it directly into your site. And then I'm going to click insert, and that actually inserts it in there, but you can't really see it on the post. But once we take a look at the website, you'll see it right there, and actually you can come in and take a look right here on the site, and it puts the code that we need to right in there. Now this is where a lot of the power comes from the InstyMe desktop system right here, these Amazon ads. Most of the time people that have a blog would like to advertise with Amazon because Amazon has one of the best affiliate programs in the world. A lot of people enjoy buying things from Amazon, so having people go to Amazon and spend money is actually a very easy thing. What I'm going to do here is show you just how easy it is to put any kind of ad in for an Amazon product. So I'm just going to click on this camera here. As soon as you find the product that you would like to advertise on your blog, you simply click this button here that says link to this. And what the program is going to do is going to go out and download all of the relevant information for that product and put it off on the left there. And as you can see, it has some great pre-made ad. But what really makes this work really well is that it goes out and downloads all of the product images that are available for this product. So if you can see on the left, you have many pictures of this camera, and actually gives you all different kinds of angles and everything on the camera. So if you were doing a review site, this would be probably one of the best tools that you could ever come across for doing ads with Amazon. So what I'm going to do here is simply show you how easy it is to pop in one of these pictures, and you just simply come up here and click Insert Affiliate Image Link. And you click that, and then you have some options here to open a link in a new window, or you can mask the link, which actually covers it up and makes it look like it's on your own site, which is a very cool thing. But we're just going to go ahead and click on the picture, and that's going to slide the picture right in to the post. And what the best thing about this is that the InstyMe desktop knows your affiliate code, and it's going to tag that into every picture that you put on your site. So anytime somebody clicks on one of these pictures or any of these links, your affiliate information is already tagged in, so you get the commissions if you make any sale in Amazon. It's an amazing affiliate program, and we're really happy to be able to add this module into the InstyMe desktop software. So again, I'm just going to slide another picture in so you can see in just a click or two you can add as many pictures as you'd like. After you've done a couple image pictures, you can put in a text link by clicking this button here, and you can put the text right there, and then just click there and it says read more. If you are writing a post or writing some information, you can highlight a word and then replace that text with an affiliate link. If you have a large article, you can replace all occurrences of that word with this link, or you can replace only the highlighted word with the link as well. So I highlighted camera and replaced that with the link. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to send this blog post up and show you what it looks like on the site. Alright, so here we go. We got our test blog, and we actually didn't put a title into the post, but that's okay. So we have our YouTube video that's ready to go. We have our picture from the Google picture search, the Google image search, and we have the picture that we put in from our image editor with added contrast, and then we have the screenshot that we took of our InstaMe desktop software put in right directly with the image editor. We have our 300 by 250 Google AdSense ad. It's looking really nice there. And then we have our Canon pictures from Amazon. And again, if you click on one of these pictures, it brings you directly to Amazon with the affiliate information tagged right into there. So we have our great looking pictures there, and then right underneath we have our camera links and the read more links as well. It brings us right directly to Amazon. So you can see this advertising module with Amazon and all the many tools that we give you inside the InstaMe desktop is just a huge, huge time saver. But there's one other thing that I would like to show you with the InstaMe desktop, and I'm just going to bring this down to the very end of the post. Now, since the InstaMe desktop was built with your time saving in mind, we went ahead and added many features that tie directly into your InstaMe account. One of those is your email opt-in forms. Now, sometimes people create these WordPress plugins and everything that allow you to put in these opt-in forms, but we found that they just didn't work as well as they could. But since we're creating the InstaMe desktop, we decided to put in an email opt-in form that is super easy for you, and I want to show that to you right now. So all you simply have to do is click this button here that says email opt-in form, and it's going to bring you to the InstaMailer system, and all it wants you to do is navigate to the list that you would like to use, and then we will find the opt-in code for you. So you simply click on the brand that you're working with, you view all lists, and then you select the list that you would like to create an opt-in form from. And as you see here, the software found an opt-in code for the InstaMe customers and asks if you'd like to use it. So you click yes, and then it pops up this window here that allows you to choose the style that you'd like. We have a style for widgets, we have a style for posts or pages, and you have a couple different options here. And I'm going to use this one here, and then it gives you some options right below to edit some information. So we can change the button to say something other than sign me up, or we can change the background colors of these different things. So I'm going to go ahead and just insert that directly into my post here. And then we can go ahead and change anything that you'd like to that you can highlight here. So you can change your highlight, and you can change your description, but I'm going to simply send it up here just as it is. I'm going to click update and then show you what that looks like on the site. I'll just refresh the page and then bring it on down to the bottom. And then you can see a beautiful looking opt-in form right here, and it's simply ready to take any kind of information. You click sign me up, and then boom, you're subscribed. So it makes it easier than ever to build your lists with your sites, because all you had to do is simply push a button or two and you have an opt-in form directly on your site. So this is a wonderful, wonderful add-in that we're really happy to be able to do, because it makes everyone's life easier when we can make a software that actually does a lot of the work for you. This InstaMe desktop software ties in many different aspects of the InstaMe system and gives you one-click access to many different things. And if you've never made any money online, this software can definitely help you by giving you the AdSense and Amazon modules that you can begin advertising products directly on your blog within a minute or two after installing the software. So thanks for watching this video, and be sure to pick up your InstaMe account with the InstaMe desktop software right now.